So there are two main ways of installing apps on the Galaxy Tab S11 Ultra. One of the ways is from the Google Play Store. Now, this is a collection of all your Android apps. So if you go into apps, you can even divide that, or you can even categorize that into games only or all apps. And you can even go to the search function and search for a specific application. So for instance, you can search for an app like that one. Okay. And then once you find the app, you tap on it on the side, and then you should see the app page on the side where you have everything. And then the install button is there. And as soon as you tap on the install button, it's going to get installed. Now, you can also install apps on this tablet using the Galaxy Store. So in case there's a specific app you want and it's only available in the Galaxy Store, you just simply go to that Galaxy Store, find that app. Some of the apps are going to be available on both stores. For instance, an app like TikTok is available on both the Google Play Store and the Galaxy Store. So find the app again that you want. You also have a search function here. It's right here in the top right corner. Tap on it, search for a specific app, and have it installed. So once you get that app that you want to install, for instance, if it's this app, open it and then tap on install, and it's going to get installed. Thanks for watching and good luck.